Hey everyone, today is Wednesday, July 22nd. The market has closed, and let's take a look at the market. Today, the Ethereum actually had a spike up to the upside, and right now is in a very key location where there was a lot of trading activities before the last crash, and now we're in that zone. And we want to see this thing to retest the support and hold, then keep going up, right? You probably don't want to chase over here. So this is a graph I drew, yesterday, and so let's see how this goes. If it does retest and is holding, and it's good time to enter. Okay, what else? So the S&P 500 right now is still, didn't really do anything today. Nasdaq looks fine, not doing anything. Slack today actually dipped. The reason is Slack filed a antitrust complaint to Microsoft. The reason is Microsoft is bundling their Microsoft team with their Office 365 product, with their Office 365, which is essentially monopolistic practice, right? It's antitrust. This is almost a deja vu, between Netscape and Microsoft Internet Explorer, when the Microsoft was bundling Internet Explorer with Microsoft Windows back in the 2000, before the 2000, and so that was a kind of a monopolistic practice. And today it's almost the same story, right? And the last time Microsoft won, Netscape went bankrupt actually, but maybe things could be different for Slack this time around, because this has happened before. The regulators are more aware of this, and we can see maybe a different end to this story. Okay, maybe Slack's gonna win, and Microsoft's going to force decouple the Microsoft Team offering from the Office 365 offering, and then Slack is gonna be good for the Slack stock price. Okay, that could be a possibility. So right now it dropped today. I'm still holding my position. Obviously, I'm holding this for long term. If this drops further, I'm gonna add more. So I'm not adding to my position right now, but I'll add more if this drops further. Okay, I think this is a good company. When it would drop to 17, that was a lot of value, and if it does drop to 17 again, I'm gonna buy again. But I doubt in this market is going to offer me this kind of opportunities. So given what it's doing now, as long as the price is hovering around this line, we should be fine. Okay, Ethereum, yesterday so we talked about Ethereum. I don't know if this is gonna hold. This looks kind of shaky because based on my experience, it's really not, it's not very often that we have a move from a huge bottom, from this kind of a wash and rinse bottom, and just keep going up and eventually break through. Usually we're gonna have a lot of resistance, because this area, then maybe we're gonna come down, and I'm still thinking that we might retest this level, which is making this much more healthy, because more buyers got attracted here, people have bought in, and the supply got reduced, then we have a much better footing for a bull market. But the action today is pretty strong, so we can't really rule out the situation where it retests this level and it just keep going up, right? So you got to keep an open mind right here. Okay, so that's all I want to talk about, and see you next time.